Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Vara Kumar. Today we are going to start a new chapter, coordinate geometry. A very important chapter and a very easy chapter. So see here what we learn in this chapter. So these topics we have to learn in this chapter. So this is a distance between 2 points. It is using distance formula. A distance between 2 points, distance formula, section formula, trisectional points, centroid of a triangle, area of the triangle, collinear points, area of a triangle, Heron's formula, slope of the line joining 2 points. So these topics we learn in this chapter, coordinate geometry. So see here, definitely we can get each type of question in the examination. That is one 1 mark question, one 2 marks question, one 4 marks question, and at least 2 objective type from this chapter. So here in this area we can get 1 mark question, distance formula. So here distance between 2 points using distance formula. So in this area we can get a one mark question, and here these two topics, section formula and trisectional points, here definitely we can get a 4 marks problem. So here these two are very important, section formula and trisectional points. Very important in this chapter. Just using the formula we have to find the trisectional points. Very important. Definitely you can get 4 marks from this area. So next, centroid of a triangle and area of the triangle. So here at centroid you can get 1/2 mark, objective type here. So area of the triangle and collinear points, these two are very important. In this area definitely you can get a 2 marks problem. So here area of a triangle, Heron's formula, and slope of the line joining points. So here also there is a chance to get a 1 mark problem. So this is the analyzation of what we cover in this chapter. So very important chapter and very easy chapter. If you remember the formulas you can do very easily. So distance between 2 points, distance formula. Using distance formula there is only one exercise. First exercise, there are totally 4 exercises in this chapter. First exercise totally depends on the distance formula only. Using only distance formula we have to solve the exercise 1 problems totally. So section formula and trisectional points. So using section formula we have one exercise. Exercise 2, total exercise 2 depends upon the section formula. So next, centroid of a triangle and area of the triangle and collinear points. So these in the exercise 3rd we cover these 3 topics. In exercise 7.3, centroid of a triangle, area of the triangle and collinear points. So using distance formula we can find the collinear points, and using area of the triangle we can find collinear points. So next, area of a triangle, Heron's formula, it also comes under 3rd exercise. Slope of the line joining 2 points, it covers in the 7.4 exercise. Totally we have 4 exercises in the 7th chapter, coordinate geometry. First, second, third, fourth. First exercise total depends upon the distance formula. Second exercise depends on the section formula. Third exercise depends on the collinearity and area of the triangle. And the 4th exercise depends on the slope of the line joining the 2 points. So now we have to learn some formulas, that is distance formula. See here what it is. So see here, these are the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points A x1 comma 0, B x2 comma 0 lie on the x-axis is modulus of x2 minus x1 units. So here see here x1 comma 0, x2 comma 0. here this is the x coordinate and it is y coordinates. Y coordinates are 0 on the x-axis. If y coordinate is 0, we can say that the point lie on the x-axis. So here this is x-axis and it is y-axis. This is point of intersection of the two axes. So here point A coordinates are x1 comma 0 and point B coordinates are x2 comma 0. Distance between these two is simply we have to find the difference of the x coordinates, x2 minus x1. So we use modulus. If we get the negative value, so distance we have to take the positive, hence we use the modulus. So modulus indicates that even if we get the negative value, so we have to take positive in the modulus. Suppose if modulus of minus 4 is also equal to plus 4, that we have to remember. So here modulus of x2 minus x1, since it is distance, we can say units. So this is the distance between the 2 points A x1 comma 0, B x2 comma 0 lie on the x-axis is modulus of x2 minus x1 units. So next second one, the distance between the 2 points A 0 comma y1, B 0 comma y2 lie on the y-axis is modulus of y2 minus y1 units. So see here, this is x-axis and it is y-axis. 2 points A and B lie on the y-axis. The coordinates of A are 0 comma y1 and the coordinates of B are 0 comma y2. Since they lie on the y-axis, x coordinate is 0 here. If x coordinate is 0, we can say that the points lie on the y-axis. So here to find the distance between these 2 points which lie on the y-axis, we have to find the difference of the y coordinates, that is y2 minus y1. Again here also we use modulus. If we get the negative value, it can write as a positive. So modulus of y2 minus y1 units, the distance between the 2 points A 0 comma y1, B 0 comma y2 lie on the y-axis is modulus of y2 minus y1 units. So next the distance between 2 points A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 in the xy plane is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it is known as a distance formula denoted by small d. So here distance formula small d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here 2 points A and B lie on the xy plane. They are not on the x-axis or y-axis. They lie on the xy plane. The coordinates of A are x1 comma y1 and the coordinates of B are x2 comma y2. To find the distance between these 2 points, we use the formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is known as the distance formula. Very important. We use distance formula to solve the problems in total exercise 1. So each and every problem in 7.1 exercise depends on distance formula only. Using only one and only one formula, we have to solve all the problems in first exercise. So just you have to read a distance formula. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See here, the distance between the 2 points A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 in the xy plane, D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. So this is known as the distance formula. So now we have to solve some problems from exercise 1. So now we have to solve problems from 7.1 exercise. This is the first problem. Find the distance between the following pair of points. So there are totally 4 bits in the first problem. So he has given a pair of points. He is asking to find the distance between them. So here the first one is 2, 3 and 4, 1. So we know the distance between the 2 points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. That is the formula we have to use to find the distance between 2 points. Here let this is x1, y1 and it is as x2, y2. So we have to use the distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here it is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2. So distance formula D is equal to, we have distance formula D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let the first point is x1, y1 and the second point is x2, y2. So simply how to substitute in the formula. So x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1, x2 is 4, x1 is 2, 4 minus 2 whole square, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 1 minus 3 whole square, y2 is 1, y1 is 3, that is 1 minus 3 whole square, 1 minus 3 whole square, 1 minus 3 whole square. So write a square root. So that is equal to, so here 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square is 4, directly I am writing 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square is 4 plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 whole square is also plus 4. So here 4 plus 4 which is root 8, 4 plus 4 root 8. So root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 units. So 8 can be written as 4 into 2, 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So root 4 is 2 and we can get a root 2. So 2 root 2 units. Therefore the distance between 2, 3 and 4, 1 is 2 root 2 units. So this is the first bit. Next we have second bit, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Let the first point as x1, y1 and the second point as x2, y2. Again we have distance formula. So we have distance formula D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let it is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2. So we have to find, just we have to substitute in the formula x2 minus x1. This is x2, this is x1. So minus 1 minus of minus 5. Minus 1 minus of minus 5 whole square. So see here x2 minus x1, x2 is minus 1 minus x1 is also minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So here y2 is 3, y1 is 7, y2 minus y1 is 3 minus 7 whole square. 3 minus 7 whole square. So just we have to simplify again. So see here minus 1 minus into minus plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5 whole square. It becomes minus 1 plus 5 whole square plus it is 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is see here once again I am writing minus 4 whole square. So here in the next step here minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. 4 square is 16 plus minus 4 whole square is also 16. So square root of 16 plus 16 we can get a square root 32. So square root 32 we can write as 4 root 2. So 32 can be written as 16 into 2. Square root 16 is 2 and we can get root 2. So 4 root 2 units. This is the distance between the given 2 points. So So this is the second bit in the first problem. So next we have to solve third bit. This is the third bit in the first problem. Again he has given 2 points. He is asking to find the distance between them. So minus 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 2. Let it is x1 comma y1 and it is as x2 comma y2. We have distance formula d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just we have to substitute in the formula. We can get the distance between the given 2 points. See here, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. This is x2 equal to 3, x1 equal to minus 2, x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus of minus 2, 3 minus of minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, y2 minus y1 is 2 minus of minus 3 whole square, 2 minus of minus 3 whole square, 2 minus of minus 3 whole square. So just you have to substitute in the formula. So now we have to simplify. 3 minus into minus plus, it becomes 3 plus 2 whole square. It is 3 plus 2 whole square. It is 2 plus 3 whole square. 2 minus of minus is plus, 2 plus 3 whole square. So now we have to simplify further. It becomes 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 square is 25. So here also 2 plus 3 is also 5. 5 square is again 25. So now square root of 25 plus 25 is square root 50. Square root 50 can be written as 5 root 2. 5 root 2 units. So here 50 can be written as 25 into 2. Square root 25 is 5 and root 2 we can get 5 root 2 units. This is the distance between minus 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 2. This is the third bit. Next we have fourth bit. This is the fourth bit. A comma b and minus a comma minus b. Let it is x1 comma y1 and it is x2 comma y2. We have distance formula d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Simply have to substitute in the formula. So see here, square root of x2 minus x1. x2 is minus a, x1 is a. That is we get minus a whole square. See here, x2 minus x1. x2 is minus a minus x1 is a whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here y2 is minus b, y1 is b, y2 minus y1 is minus b whole square, minus b whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So next we have to simplify further. So minus a is minus 2a whole square. It is minus 2a whole square plus it is minus 2b whole square. Minus 2b whole square. So minus 2a whole square is 4a square. It is 4a square plus it is minus 2b whole square is 4b square. So here we can write square root of 4 is common. 4 into a square plus b square. So if you write 4 out of the square root, we can get 2 into square root of a square plus b square units. So this is the distance between the points a comma b and minus a comma minus b is 2 into square root of a square plus b square. So this is the fourth bit in the first problem. Totally there are 4 bits. We have completed all the 4. So next we have to solve the second problem. This is the second problem. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. So again he has given 2 points. He is asking to find the distance between them. The given points are 0, 0 and 36, 15. Let it is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2. So the distance formula D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Simply we have to substitute in the formula. See here, square root of x2 minus x1. x2 is 36, x1 is 0. 36 minus 0 whole square, 36 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Y2 is 15, y1 is 0. 15 minus 0 whole square, 15 minus 0 whole square. So that is here 36 minus 0 is 36. So here we can get a 36 square plus here 15 minus 0 is 15, so 15 square. So 36 square is 36 into 36. How much here? See here. So we have to multiply 36 into 36. So 6 6 are 36. Write 6 and 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So now with 3, 3 6 are 18. 8 and 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. So how much it is? 6, 9, 2, 1. So 36 square is 1296. How much it is? 1296 plus 15 square we have 225. 15 square is equal to 15 into 15, 225. So now I have to add 1296 and 1525. So 6 plus 5 is 11, 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12, and 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, and 1. So square root of 1521, square root of 1521 units. So this is the distance between the 2 points 0, 0 and 36, 15, 1521. So this is the second problem in the first exercise. So next